Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you're all having an amazing day. This is Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. Today is Thursday, which means you're getting a new video. The next new video will be up on Saturday or Sunday. My mom is actually visiting to get away. You know, my daddy passed away a couple of weeks ago, and she's going to come see me and stay with me for a few days, so I am super pumped about that. But anyway, today's video is very fun. I thought about this a few videos back, and I'll tag the original video. It was a page border video. But in that video, I talked about using text as your page border. And I got a lot of compliments on that. People messaged me and said, hey, I'd never thought about that. In groups I'm in, they had posted, to me and said, hey, I didn't ever think about that. That's a cool idea. So I got to thinking about ways we could use text in our journals, in mixed media, that kind of thing. So that's what today is all about, using text besides just writing, in our journals. So come in closer, I'll move my drink out of the way, and I'll share with you some more ideas I came up with on how we can use text. And when I say text, not just the written word, but also letters, numbers, and symbols. So come on in. So I wanted to show you the original idea that kind of sparked all this, and it was when I, like I said, created a page border using my actual handwriting. And I did it on this page, and everybody thought it was really cool. Like I said, this is what triggered this video. I'll go ahead and show you too. I did it with stamped letters, which was also cool. So what are some ways that we can use our writing as a creative element in our journals? I'm going to show you, let's see, 1, 2, 3 different ways, besides if you missed the video where I did the writing on the side, that's 4. Okay, first I'm going to take this and I'm going to move everything else out of the way. And I'm going to kind of talk about this, and then you'll see all the finished ones at the very end of this video. So be sure and check out the end so you can see all the finished ways that I talk about. Okay, guys. So this is going to be our center of our signature. And if you remember in the video I did the spring journal, I had the doily in the center, and I used a butterfly on the doily, but I had a butterfly on the next page, and it kind of made it look cool because it made it look 3D, it made it look cohesive because this was so small. Well, we're doing sort of the same thing, but totally different, but we're going to use 2 pages to complete one layout. So let's do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this craft paper envelope on this side. I will glue it down on 3 sides. It will be a pocket from the top. The flap I will tape in the center, and it will be a tuck spot from the top and bottom. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just layer some of our items here just to give it texture and movement and interest. And you can layer things however, you want. This is what I had, and this is kind of my vision for this. Then I'm going to put my bride right there. I'm going to put my groom over here, and I had a book page for him. Yeah, there it is. I'm going to bring some of the book page over to him. Alright, so there is this page. That looks good, but Lisa, where's the text, right? That's what you're supposed to be showing us. Where is the text in all this? The text is going to be very simple. I'm going to take my lowercase alphabet stamps here, and all I'm going to do is stamp True Love right here, even with the point on the envelope. I'm going to True Love, and I'm going to add one teeny tiny little flower down here in the corner. And that's going to be it. But it's going to be very powerful And those two words, true love, are going to command this page, and the whole thing ties together. And we're doing that with 2 words, with text. Okay, another way to use text, and remember, go all the way to the end of the video to see each one of these ideas finished. Next, we're going to use these words. It's the definition of sisterhood from a dictionary. And I kind of made the S at the beginning a little darker, but don't worry, we're going to make it even bigger. A playing card, 8 of hearts, a little piece of pattern paper, 2 little girl die cuts, and a piece of graph paper with an S. Now, there's a couple of things I'm trying to decide with this one, so you might want to stay tuned till the end to see what I go with. But I'm thinking what I'm going to do is use the flap down here because I love the inside of this flap. I'm going to put it as a pocket tuck spot at the bottom for this page. So that's going to be at the bottom. And my card with a little bit of this. Sewing this card is going to be, no, this card's going to be like right there with a little bit of sewing. The girls are going to go on it like that. We're going to let the bottom, the 8s are going to show through because maybe this little girl is turning 8. Maybe it's her birthday. We're going to do that, and then we're going to use this S that I wrote in up here and put our sisterhood right there. I like having the graph lines. It makes it easier to line things up. And then this will be at the bottom as our text spot. And that's our page. And our text is this S, this letter S, and the definition. And that's what, you don't know what all this is until you have the words, the text at the top. Okay? Wait till the end to see that. This last one is super fun. I already showed you using the text as the page border. This last one is, like I said, super fun. And I'm going to bring out my piece of, I called this my mosaic paper. I love to create mosaic paper. It's a lot of fun. It's just different. My mosaic paper is just different types of paper. It's purple copy paper. It's some thin scrapbook paper, some heavy scrapbook paper, and then the mosaic, which is the, what makes it mosaic is I use my glitter washi tape as the mortar in between. So this is my mosaic paper, and what I'm going to do is use letters that I cut out of a magazine article. That's all they are. Letters from a magazine article. I could have used the word if I'd wanted to, but I cut out each individual letter, and I'm going to put them in this light square of paper on my mosaic, right on there. O, V, E. And this mosaic just went from really cool to, oh wow, because of the love. Now, here's something else you could have done in this center one, is you could use an @ symbol. If you wanted to use symbols, you could have used an @ You could have used a symbol in each one of the light purple squares if you had wanted to. You could have used a number, and you could have stamped it. You could have cut it out of a book. You could draw it, whatever you want to do. These are just here to give you ideas so you can make these all your own. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about using text more, making it the star of the show. Like I said, check out the end of the video and you'll see how when we put the text with the girls, without the girls, I'll put the girls on the page first and take a picture and put it at the end. Then I'll add the text. I might even write the text in if I don't think the little words have enough. And you can play with it like that. So go to the end and see how the page looked with just the girls and the dictionary, and then see if I went in and wrote in the word sisterhood and then put the dictionary page under it, because words are powerful. Also, don't forget to check out our wedding page and see how true love makes that other side pop. Just those words and a little flower down in the corner. It will tie it all together. And again, I'll put a picture at the end of the video where the words aren't added yet, and then when the words are added. And you can see what I'm talking about, how impressive text, numbers, symbols can be. Okay guys, you know the drill. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, please hit that subscribe button with that little bell. It means so much to me to have my channel growing. I'm here for you guys. If you guys have some ideas you want to see in future videos, please leave me ideas down below in the comments. I am always open to suggestions for crafting videos. I would love to see yours. Also, if you'd like to see a video more about mosaic papers, quilted papers, just those type of papers, leave the comment down below, mosaics or quilts or both, because I think this is very cool. This one was kind of rushed. I put it together really fast for this, but I promise you it's a really cool look, especially when you add those symbols in or those words. I'll see you next time. Oh, this weekend we are turning a game board and the pieces into a journal. I'll see you on Saturday or Sunday for that. Bye.